So, hey friends, I'm sure you can hear that air conditioner running in the background. It has been so hot this week, but luckily I have found something that has kept me extremely entertained. I don't know about you if you've heard of the Let's Storm Area 51 group that's going around on Facebook and social media right now, but I tell you what, it is hysterical. It has just kept me, like I said, so entertained during these hot days. So it got me to thinking of when Vicki and I went out there in 2016 and drove around in that desert, and I just can't picture a couple 100,000 people out there all at once. Oh my goodness, talk about your traffic jam nightmare. But anyway, so I wanted to go ahead and throw up an old video, a blast from the past, that I took out there way back in the way back days when I first started on YouTube, because it's kind of relevant to what's going on now. And this way you can kind of see what the roads look like and what the area looks like out there, and just kind of picture it, a whole bunch of these crazy people out there having fun. So it should be exciting to follow this thing and see if what happens on September 20th. Like I said, I think it's hysterical. So anyway, I'm going to pop up that old blast from the past video here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And y'all stay lost, my friends. But don't stay lost out in the Nevada desert on September 20th. I don't advise it.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
Alright, guys, this is Back Gate Road, heading to Area 51. Wish us luck.
Oh my God.
Wish us luck. Oh my God.
I don't know what we're doing it.
What are we thinking? We're on the back gate road going, towards Area 51, I guess. It's a great road. It's dirt road, but it's nice and smooth, and it's just beautiful out here. I don't know how many miles we're supposed to drive down it, but pay attention and not get in any trouble is our goal. When we get a little closer, I think we're going to make some tinfoil hats just to be on the safe side. Not only do they work, but they're also very attractive, so.
Well, and they're versatile.
They're versatile.
You can use them for different things, I'm sure.
You can use them later to wrap your sandwich in. Got our hats on, we're ready to go. We're heading on back down the back gate road. We are ready for them. They're not getting in here. Nope. So a white truck just went blowing past us because I had pulled over to put batteries in, of course. They're gonna come flying up on me.
I don't see anybody. Yeah, that's definitely no place we're invited.
No, I don't think we're invited here. I think we just went down the back gate road and found the back gate, and we're chickening out here and now. You want to go find Groom right now?
Yes.
All right.
That was fun.
That was fun. want to believe. Some country time lemonade and a chair. Take Trump and Hillary, it says, and it's stuck in a cow patty. That's so funny. The truth is out there. Cows and cars do not mix. We are, Vicky.
And turn around.
Hoping there'll be a turnaround spot up here. Oh, this is so weird, Vic. He's right there, looking at us. We're allowed to get out and take pictures, though, and act like tourists.
We are?
Yeah.
Are we gonna?
Yeah. That's the white trucks, dude. That's the white truck, dude. Wow. Cool. Look at the barbed wire. Photography, no drone zone. That's great.
Yeah, we got visuals up there.
Very cool. Wonder where they keep the aliens.
Way over there, behind the mountains, a long ways up that road.
Yeah, probably quite a long ways, huh? Crazy. At this point, we're just being tourists, but I'm not going to do anything stupid. Like, I've seen some people try to, jump over the line. I'm not going to harass this poor guy. I mean, he's just doing his job, so. Pretty cool, though. I'm really glad we drove out here. That was fun. Interesting experience. Seatbelt on and follow all laws and protocols.